Introduction to Jupiter. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant located fifth from the Sun. Its massive size surpasses all other planets combined, making it a dominant force in our cosmic neighborhood. Composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, Jupiter's atmosphere exhibits intricate cloud bands, the most notable being the Great Red Spot, a colossal storm system larger than Earth. With a diverse system of over 80 moons, including the 4 Galilean moons, Jupiter's gravitational influence shapes the dynamics of its surrounding space. Studying Jupiter offers invaluable insights into planetary formation, atmospheric processes, and the broader cosmos. Physical characteristics. Jupiter's immense size is a defining feature, with a diameter of approximately 139,820 kilometers, over 11 times that of Earth. It has a rapid rotation, completing a day in just under 10 hours, causing its equatorial regions to bulge outwards. The planet's composition primarily consists of hydrogen and helium, akin to a star's composition. Deep within Jupiter lies a dense core of rock and metal, surrounded by layers of metallic hydrogen and a vast atmosphere. Its gravitational pull is strong enough to trap over 75 moons and a myriad of dust and debris in its orbit, showcasing its gravitational dominance in the solar system. Moons of Jupiter. Jupiter boasts a diverse family of over 80 moons, each with its own unique characteristics and orbital dynamics. Among these, the 4 Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are particularly notable. Io, the innermost Galilean moon, is volcanically active and marked by its colorful surface. Europa, with its icy crust, has garnered attention for the potential presence of a subsurface ocean, raising intriguing questions about its potential for life. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, has its own magnetic field and a varied terrain of grooved plains and impact craters. Callisto, with its heavily cratered surface, provides valuable insights into the solar system's history. Jupiter's atmosphere. The atmosphere of Jupiter is a dynamic and complex system, primarily composed of hydrogen, about 75%, and helium, about 24%, with trace amounts of other gases. Its atmosphere is characterized by distinct bands of clouds and zones of different colors, created by variations in temperature and composition. The Great Red Spot, a massive storm system, is a prominent feature in Jupiter's atmosphere, enduring for centuries. High-speed winds within Jupiter's atmosphere can reach velocities exceeding 400 mph, 600 km per hour. Studying Jupiter's atmosphere provides insights into atmospheric dynamics, weather patterns, and the behavior of gases under extreme conditions, crucial for understanding planetary atmospheres across the universe. Magnetic field and radiation. Jupiter possesses a powerful magnetic field, one of the strongest in the solar system, extending far into space and creating a magnetosphere that interacts with its environment. This magnetic field is generated by the planet's metallic hydrogen layer, which conducts electricity and produces a dynamo effect. The magnetosphere of Jupiter traps charged particles, forming intense radiation belts around the planet. These radiation belts, particularly the Van Allen radiation belts, pose significant challenges to spacecraft and exploration missions due to their potential to damage electronics and affect human health. Understanding Jupiter's magnetic field and radiation environment is crucial for space exploration and planetary science. Exploration of Jupiter. Human exploration of Jupiter began with flyby missions, including Pioneer 10 and 11 in the 1970s, followed by Voyager 1 and 2, which provided detailed observations of the planet and its moons. The Galileo spacecraft, launched in 1989, conducted an in-depth study of Jupiter, its moons, and its magnetic field, discovering water beneath Europa's icy surface and volcanic activity on Io. In recent years, the Juno mission has been studying Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and interior structure since 2016, providing unprecedented insights into the planet's dynamics. Future missions, like the Europa Clipper, aim to further explore Jupiter's moons for signs of habitability and potential life. Jupiter in mythology and culture. Throughout history, Jupiter has held a significant place in mythology and culture. In Roman mythology, Jupiter, equivalent to the Greek god Zeus, was the king of the gods, associated with thunder, lightning, and the sky. The planet's name itself comes from this ancient deity. Jupiter's immense size and brightness also made it a celestial symbol of power and majesty. In various cultures worldwide, Jupiter's movements were observed and interpreted, influencing calendars, astrology, and religious beliefs. Even today, Jupiter continues to inspire awe and curiosity, symbolizing the vastness and mysteries of the cosmos in human imagination and storytelling. Importance of studying Jupiter. Studying Jupiter is crucial for advancing our understanding of planetary formation, evolution, and the broader dynamics of our solar system. Jupiter's immense size and gravitational influence played a pivotal role in shaping the early solar system, influencing the distribution of material and the formation of other planets. Its composition and atmospheric processes provide insights into the conditions that led to the development of life on Earth. Furthermore, Jupiter's magnetic field and radiation environment offer valuable data for designing spacecraft and protective measures for future space exploration missions. Thus, unraveling Jupiter's mysteries is key to unraveling the secrets of the cosmos. Future missions and discoveries. The exploration of Jupiter continues to evolve with ambitious future missions and the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. NASA's Europa Clipper mission aims to explore Jupiter's moon Europa, with its subsurface ocean believed to harbor conditions suitable for life. This mission will investigate the moon's composition, geology, and potential habitability. Additionally, the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, JUICE, mission plans to study Jupiter's moons Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa in detail, shedding light on their origins and evolution. These missions hold immense promise for unveiling new insights into Jupiter's system and possibly discovering signs of extraterrestrial life. Conclusion. Jupiter, with its awe-inspiring size, complex atmosphere, and vast system of moons, stands as a captivating celestial entity that continues to intrigue scientists and astronomers alike. Through centuries of observation and exploration, we have gained valuable insights into planetary dynamics, magnetic fields, and the potential for life beyond Earth. Future missions to Jupiter and its moons hold the promise of unraveling even more mysteries, from understanding the origins of our solar system to discovering new forms of life. As we venture deeper into space exploration, Jupiter remains a cornerstone in our quest to comprehend the wonders of the universe.